Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
Hi everyone, so for today's challenge we are just going to be spending 21 minutes decluttering your car. Now I know that cleaning out the car can be a really long and overwhelming project, so that's why I've split it again into 2 days. Today, just decluttering, emptying and sorting out all the stuff that's in your car, and then tomorrow we'll worry about giving it a clean. Now I used to get my car professionally detailed once a month, but since we got Freddie, I have not taken it to be cleaned, so it was well and truly overdue. But as I mentioned, just start with taking everything out. So all of the things that you want to keep permanently in your car, all the random bits that are just accumulated. If you've got kids, you know, it can become a dumping ground of all their random stuff. Take out all the rubbish, any recycling bits and pieces, and then sort through that. So discard the rubbish and recycling, obviously. Decide what you want to keep permanently in your car. For me, that is things like a first aid kit, the service logbook and manual that come with the car, some baskets with my reusable shopping bags. Make a game plan for managing your vehicle moving forward. Maybe have a rubbish bin right in the garage so that as soon as you get out of the car, you can empty all the rubbish into it. Make a rule that whatever you take in the car, you take out with you when you get out. Or maybe every time you go to the petrol station to fill up your car with fuel, just get in the habit of putting all the rubbish into the bin at that time. So guys, that is it for today's video. Super simple, 21 minutes. Declutter your car, take absolutely everything out. I will see you back here tomorrow for a deep cleaning car session.
Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium.
As always, always, I will leave a link in the description to the video I filmed explaining the challenge, along with all of the videos I've filmed and uploaded each day showing you how I tackle all of the cleaning and organizing challenges for this month. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.